Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby, do you know love? We know you say you do, but this is how you show love. Girl, you're so rough. Lips so soft, but your love is so tough.
Alright you guys, so today I'll be bringing you another synthetic wig review. This review is sponsored by Ebony Line. So thank you so much Ebony Line for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. So you guys, this is Miss It's A Wig ORIA, and this is in the color 1B. I actually really do like this unit. I think because my braids are nice and flat and they're really fresh, this unit actually is laying pretty nicely. This unit really doesn't need much edits, but it does feel very early 90s to me, and it just gives me that vibe because I literally had got this haircut for my 8th grade like formal, I think it was. I literally cut my own hair into this style, and I love this style, but it is definitely reminding me of like early 90s. I don't know. You guys tell me what type of vibe it's giving you, but it's definitely very sexy, very sleek, very for the summertime. Like, I'm trying to show y'all different things that you can do this summer. This is a very easy way to switch up your look, and it's not super duper hot. It's not a lot of hair all over your neck. This wig is extremely affordable. You can find this wig on ebonyline.com. It does come in an array of colors, but I definitely am feeling this 1B just for a nice throw-on option for the summertime. Like, it's a whole vibe. It didn't take much for this wig to come back into the times that it is right now. I think all it needs is making that curl less defined and making it straighter, because the style right now is to have, you know, your baby hairs and your edges, but to have them straight and not curled. So I think that really brings the look to a different level, and I honestly really like it. Tell me what you guys think, because short styles rarely ever work out well for me. I tend to not like them at all. I feel like they make my face and my neck look a little fat, but I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I actually really like this style, and I think it's dope. Yeah. Stay tuned for another video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and make sure you check out Ebony Line if you want to grab this unit. Alright guys, stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit.
Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is